So turning in a picture of your cubes, whether they're still lined up one next to each other or stacked in here, is going to be done the same way. We don't snip this because we're offered the opportunity to download a PNG version of this. You can actually put any resolution you want up here, and in fact we need to fix this one over here because it's not 1080. Everything we do is that 1920 by 1080 size. When I click here, you can see it did change it a little bit, and this is still a live connection, so you can still fine-tune to get just the right angle for showing off your work. When you export this as a PNG, you're not given a chance to name it or decide where it goes. You should be able to click on this folder. I'll do it the other way here and going to my downloads. Since I want two images, if you stack them, I would like you to put something here that makes it a separate file. Otherwise, when you download the second picture, it'll try and overwrite it. Let me get another angle on this. I'll just go ahead and do the download PNG and pick another angle after changing this to 1080. Just clicking over here just to show how well they got stacked up here. There are some preset angles, but it's better if you just pick the one that you think it's going to show it off. We do have the option for transparency, great for stuff later on. For the one you're turning in for me, let's just go ahead and keep that green background with the sky. Exporting it a second time, it's already in that folder. If I refresh this, it should show it. Now where to put these? You can turn them on directly from there, but if you want to keep them, they could go in Scratch. But since putting things on your portfolio is coming up soon, go ahead and drop them in there, and then they're all ready to go to your 3D modeling page.